In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text, highlight, and bold in InVideo. First, start by logging into InVideo. Once you're in, open your project from the dashboard so you're working on the exact video or template you want to edit. Give it a moment to load and then navigate to the scene where your text appears. Click directly on the text you want to change to select it. You should see a bounding box and a toolbar appear at the top of the screen, confirming that the text layer is active and ready to edit. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar. This is where you'll find your core formatting controls. To make words stand out quickly, use the bold option. If your chosen font supports multiple weights, bold will add extra emphasis and improve legibility. You can also use italics for stylistic emphasis and underline for added clarity, especially on calls to action. A simple tip here: use bold for priority information and keep italics or underline for secondary emphasis so your message remains clear. Next, explore the Effects button on that same toolbar. This is where you can add visual polish to your text. Start with background fills, which essentially creates a highlight behind your text. Pick a color that contrasts well with your video so the words remain easy to read. You can typically adjust the opacity, padding, and sometimes the shape of the background to get a clean, modern highlight look. This is perfect for captions, labels, or any line of text that needs to pop over busy footage. From there, try adding a text shadow. A subtle shadow can make a big difference in readability, especially over complex backgrounds. Adjust the blur to soften the edge, tweak the distance to control how far the shadow sits from the text, and set the angle so it matches the light direction of your scene. Keep it subtle. Too much blur or offset can make text look fuzzy. Finally, experiment with text blending. Blending modes control how your text interacts with the video beneath it. Modes like multiply, screen, or overlay can create creative looks, helping your text feel integrated rather than pasted on top. This is particularly effective when you want your titles to inherit some of the scene's color or texture while staying readable. As you make changes, watch the preview to ensure everything remains crisp and accessible. Aim for strong contrast, consistent styling, and restraint with effects so your message stays front and center. When your text looks clear, bold, and beautifully highlighted, you're done.